In this lesson, we are going to talk about how to draw 3D objects. And it's also kind of 2D objects at the same time, I guess. So here we're given a figure that's in 3D, and we want to draw the 2D version of it from a top view, a front view, and a side view. And so first we're going to define this direction right here as our front view. Looking down from this direction would be the top view. And then looking over here is going to be our side view. And so for learning purposes, I'm going to put a number in each face of these cubes, so that when we draw each our front, side, and top view, it's a little bit easier to visualize and see which blocks we're actually looking at. And so I just numbered each face. And so first, if we look at the top view, okay, so we're going to imagine ourselves above this figure looking straight down, and the only faces that are going to be visible to us are going to be 1, 6, 8, and 13. And so if we draw this shape, we know that 1, 6, and 8 are all in a vertical line, and the 13 is off to the side of the 8. So this would be if we're above the figure looking straight down. These are the only faces that we're going to be able to see. And then now if we do the front view, now kind of imagine yourself at the front looking at this figure. The faces that we're going to be able to see are going to be 2, 4, 5, 7, and then 12. Everything else will not be visible to us. And so if we draw that, we know that on the left-hand side we have 2 above the 4, which is next to the 5, and then we have the 7 next to that, and the 12 is just going to be above this. Again, we can't tell the depth, but that's fine. We just are looking at which faces we can see. And then finally, if we do the side view, so we come over here to the side, and we know for sure we're going to be able to see 9, 10, and 11. And then the other face that we're going to see is face 3, and it's going to come in just right next to the 11. So those will be the faces visible from the side view. So this is how we would take a 3D figure and draw the different views in 2 dimensions. You just have to kind of imagine yourself and in different positions and only considering the faces that will be visible at that location.